When the price is rupees 20, the consumer buys 80 units. How many units will the consumer buy if the price rises to 22 and the price elasticity of demand is -2? It should not be surprising that the value of PET is negative. You must keep in mind that there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. So a -2 is expected. Now, we know that price elasticity of demand is change in quantity upon change in price into original price upon original quantity. Looking at the question, we've been told what the original price is and what the original quantity is. We've also been told what the new price is. So we can say the old price, or perhaps P0. P0 we've been given as 20 and P1 is 22. So the change in price is 22 minus 20, which gives us 2. We have delta P, we have your original P, and we have Q. We also have the PET. We simply substitute and solve. -2 is equal to your delta Q, which is unknown, upon 2 into original price, which is 20, and original quantity demanded is 80 units. So maybe we can write that down separately. Your Q0, or simply Q, is equal to 80. So upon 80 over here. Now it is simple equations. We can consider simplifying it here first before sending it on to the other side. So 0, 0 cut, and anything further, maybe the 2's will get cut. 8 goes on to the other side, and we get -16 is equal to delta Q. Therefore, delta Q is equal to -16. Keep in mind, they have not asked us what the change in quantity is. They want to know how many units will the consumer buy. That means if Q0 is 80, they're asking us what is Q1, which we do not know. Now, when we were calculating change in price, we took new minus old. So the same way, change in quantity is equal to your new quantity minus your old quantity. We know that the change in quantity is -16. We know that the old quantity is 80. The new quantity is unknown. So again, solving for equations, 80 on this side is subtraction, goes that side, it becomes addition, and we have 80 minus 16 is equal to Q1. And for want of space, I'm just going to use this blank space in the middle, and 80 minus 16 is going to give you 64. So 64 is equal to Q1. Therefore, Q1, or your new quantity, is 64, and that's your answer.